Hey guys, we have some sort of off-brand soda here that we're gonna do a chugging contest with and see who can burp the loudest.
Okay, we're gonna chug it. We're gonna see who's the loudest. No, you go first. You can't burp it. You're gonna be like spit out. Just go. Oh my god, I'll go first. Stop. Oh god, just do it. Because you guys will burp at the same time and we won't be able to hear it. Just you go first.
It's kind of impossible to burp.
Okay, you go first.
Ready? Stop. I can't do that. It just bubbles.
It's pretty loud.
I can't even. Stop.
You're just burping like 5 seconds ago. Your face.
I'm waiting.
You can force yourself to burp.
That was weak. I need some more soda, guys. I can't even do it.
I'm gonna hurt. Stop. It's freaking disgusting.
You just like keep going.
Okay. Stop. You're really freaking annoying.
Pat on the back.
Okay,
Hey guys, this one.
You're winning burp. There you go. Amy was clearly the winner.
that was just 1 out of